again, my thrivers and fellow worshipers. Cowie back at you today with another Davidic dance step. So today what we are going to do is the cha-cha step. And again, like I said before, this is why I love this style of dance, because it has so many different styles. It's like an eclectic style of dance. And cha-cha comes from, I believe, Spain. It's like a salsa kind of dance, right? And when you do the dance, it's kind of like you want to go cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Anyway, let me show you what it looks like and you'll understand what I mean. Okay, so let's go. Get your dance shoes on. Let's go. Okie doke. Now this is a 4-count step, and it's a right together right, left together left, right together right, left together left. And it counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take a look at that. Slowing it down, we start on the right, then bring it together, and step right again. Then on the left, bring it together, and step on the left again. Let's look at that again. Right, together, right, left, together, left. Next, let's look at it from the back. Right, together, right, left, together, left. Okay, real quick, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but there is a pause there. So you got a right together, right, pause, left together, left, pause. And each pause is a 1 count. So to count it out, it's 1, 2, 3, pause, 1, 2, 3, pause. Let's take a look at that from the side and I'll count it out for you so you understand what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to turn around and show you going the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, you guys. Now that you've seen the feet, I'm going to move on to the full body shot. Now starting on the right, right together right, left together left, right together right. Now the other side. Right together right again, left together left, right together right. I think you guys are getting the idea. Now one more thing, I'm going to show you the basics of the arms. Just keep in mind that honestly, what I show you here, we don't really do that often. Depending on the dance, it will change. So for the most part, the arms are different, but I'm going to show this to you anyway, and I'm going to slow it down for you for the sake of teaching. But don't get attached to it, because it does change, like I said. Now, depending on what side you start with will depend on which arm goes up and which arm goes back. So when you start with the right foot, your right arm goes up and your left arm goes back. Then it is totally the opposite on the other side. Let's look at that again. Starting with the right foot, right arm up, left arm back. Left foot, left arm up, right arm back. Now the right side again, right arm up, left arm back, left arm up, right arm back. Now here's the real time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, give yourself a pat on the back. You got that one down now. Let's see, I think we have like 1 or 2 more steps and then we'll be done.
Actually, it's like 5 more. Ah!
It's okay, we'll get it done sometime. Soon. And you'll have the whole sequence. Oh my gosh, I feel so proud of myself that I got this far. It's been interesting. It's taken a long time. I didn't realize it was going to take so much time. It really, there's a lot of work that goes into these videos, and cutting and splicing them, editing them, filming them. There's a lot of work. It takes a lot of time, but I am so glad that I did it. And I'm super excited because now for us, for our congregation at least, you guys benefit from it if you're not part of our congregation, but for our congregation, all I have to do is share this with our people, and you know, it takes a lot of stress off of my shoulders because now I can say, hey, take this home and practice these steps, and then I don't have to go through the steps before I teach the dances. They'll just know it already. So thanks guys, thanks for being so supportive of me and getting me through this process. So I'll see you next time with another step, whatever that is. Okay guys, see ya. Shalom, bye.